Hey everyone, it's Marquez here. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity. If you've ever wanted to become a hacking master, you're in the right place. We're talking about the skills you need, the knowledge you gotta have, and the best part? You don't need to drop a dime on expensive courses. Let's explore 5 free courses that will get you there. Alright, first up we're heading over to Coursera. And trust me, this isn't your average online course platform. Coursera is a hub of knowledge, offering a plethora of courses from top universities and institutions around the world. It's a place where you can find courses on almost any subject you can think of, and the quality is top-notch. We're talking about a specialization, a whole package deal from none other than NYU. New York University is renowned for its academic excellence and cutting-edge research, and now they're bringing their expertise to you through this online platform. They're bringing the heat with Introduction to Cybersecurity Specialization. This isn't just a single course, it's a series of courses designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of cybersecurity. From the basics to more advanced topics, this specialization covers it all. Now, I know what you're thinking. NYU, specialization? Sounds pricey, and usually you'd be right. Education from such a prestigious institution often comes with a hefty price tag. But hold up, that's the beauty here. It's free. Yes, you heard that right. This entire specialization is available at no cost. You get access to world-class education without spending a dime. You get to learn from the best, and it won't cost you a penny. Imagine having access to the same quality of education that on-campus students receive, but from the comfort of your own home. This specialization is like the foundation of a fortress. Just like a fortress needs strong walls and defenses, your knowledge in cybersecurity needs to be solid and unbreakable. It's all about building that rock-solid understanding of cybersecurity. You'll start with the basics, learning about the fundamental principles and concepts that underpin the field. We're talking cryptography, the art of secret codes and keeping things on lockdown. Cryptography is essential for protecting information in the digital age, and this course will teach you how to use it effectively. Then there's risk management, because in the cyber world, you've got to anticipate the threats before they even think about knocking on your digital door. You'll learn how to identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. And of course, no cybersecurity journey is complete without mastering network security. Networks are the backbone of our digital world, and securing them is crucial. Think of your network like the walls of your digital castle. Strong, impenetrable walls are essential to keep out intruders and protect your valuable information. This course teaches you how to build them strong, reinforce them, and make sure no one's sneaking in through the back door. You'll gain hands-on experience with the tools and techniques used by professionals in the field. It's like having NYU professors guiding you through the digital battlefield, prepping you for whatever comes your way. Their expertise and guidance will be invaluable as you navigate the complexities of cybersecurity. And the best part? You learn at your own pace. No need to worry about keeping up with a class or meeting deadlines. You can take your time and absorb the material at a speed that works for you. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can conquer this specialization on your own schedule. Flexibility is key, and this course offers plenty of it. No pressure, just pure cybersecurity knowledge dropping right into your brain. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of cybersecurity with NYU and Coursera and level up your skills today. Next up, we're teleporting over to EDX, another online learning haven. If you're looking to dive deep into the world of cybersecurity, this is the place to be. EDX offers a plethora of courses from top universities and institutions around the globe, making high-quality education accessible to everyone, everywhere. This time, we're tapping into the expertise of the Rochester Institute of Technology, aka RIT, for their Cybersecurity Fundamentals course. RIT is renowned for its cutting-edge tech programs and has a stellar reputation in the field of cybersecurity education. And let me tell you, RIT doesn't mess around when it comes to tech education. Their curriculum is designed to be rigorous and comprehensive, ensuring that students get a solid foundation in cybersecurity principles. This course is like a boot camp for your cybersecurity journey. It's intense, it's challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You'll be pushed to your limits, but by the end of it, you'll come out stronger and more knowledgeable. It's all about getting down to the nitty-gritty, the core principles that make up the cybersecurity universe. You'll learn about the fundamental concepts that are crucial for anyone looking to make a mark in this field. We're talking about understanding the threats, the vulnerabilities, and the strategies to keep your digital life locked down tight. You'll delve into the various types of cyber threats, from malware to phishing attacks, and learn how to defend against them. Imagine this: you finish this course, and you're suddenly fluent in the language of cybersecurity. You'll have the skills and knowledge to navigate the digital world with confidence and expertise. You can spot a phishing email from a mile away, recognizing the telltale signs that others might miss. You'll be able to protect not just yourself, but also those around you from falling victim to cyber scams. You know how to create passwords Fort Knox would be proud of, ensuring that your accounts are as secure as possible. You'll understand the importance of strong, unique passwords and how to manage them effectively. And you're basically a digital security consultant for all your friends and family. They'll turn to you for advice on how to stay safe online, and you'll have the answers. And the best part is, RIT designed this course for everyone. It's inclusive and accessible, catering to a diverse range of students from different backgrounds and skill levels. Whether you're a tech newbie or you've dabbled in the digital security world, this course meets you where you're at and takes you to the next level. The instructors are experienced and supportive, guiding you through each step of the learning process. It's like having a personal RIT professor whispering cybersecurity secrets in your ear. You'll gain insights and knowledge that are usually reserved for the classroom, all from the comfort of your own home. So, are you ready to embark on this cybersecurity adventure with RIT? Let's get started. All right, for our next stop, we're venturing into the world of FutureLearn. And trust me, this platform is all about expanding your horizons. We're diving into Introduction to Cybersecurity, a course crafted by the brilliant minds at the Open University. Now, this course is like a passport to the global landscape of cybersecurity. It's not just about protecting your own digital fortress, it's about understanding the interconnected world we live in and the threats that lurk around every corner of the internet. Think of it like this: you finish this course, and you're suddenly seeing the digital world with new eyes. You understand how cyber attacks can ripple across the globe. You know how to identify vulnerabilities in systems big and small, and you're basically a cybersecurity ambassador, spreading the gospel of digital safety to everyone you meet. And the coolest part? FutureLearn is all about collaboration. You'll be learning alongside a global community of cybersecurity enthusiasts, sharing insights, asking questions, and basically forming a digital justice league dedicated to making the internet a safer place. Now, let's be real, sometimes you just want a course that gets straight to the point. No fluff, just pure cybersecurity knowledge bombs. You don't have time to sift through hours of content that doesn't get to the heart of what you need to know. You want something that is concise, clear, and packed with valuable information that you can start using immediately. That's where Udemy comes in, and their Cybersecurity for Beginners course is here to save the day. This course is designed to be your go-to resource for all things cybersecurity, especially if you're just starting out. It's structured in a way that makes learning easy and accessible, no matter your background or experience level. This course is like a crash course in all things cybersecurity, designed specifically for those who are just starting their journey into the digital security realm. You'll get a comprehensive overview of the most important concepts, from understanding basic threats to learning how to protect your personal information online. It's perfect for anyone who wants to build a solid foundation in cybersecurity. It's like having a cybersecurity expert sitting you down and saying, "Okay, here's what you need to know to protect yourself online." The instructors break down complex topics into easy-to-understand lessons, making sure you grasp the essentials without feeling overwhelmed. They use real-world examples and practical tips that you can apply right away. No complex jargon, no confusing technical terms, just practical advice and actionable steps you can take right now to level up your digital defenses. The course is designed to be user-friendly, with clear explanations and straightforward instructions. You'll learn how to identify potential threats, secure your devices, and protect your online privacy. It's like having a personal cybersecurity coach guiding you every step of the way, making sure you're not just learning the material, but actually implementing it in your digital life. The course includes interactive elements, quizzes, and hands-on exercises to reinforce your learning and help you apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. And the best part, Udemy is known for its bite-sized learning modules. These short, focused lessons make it easy to fit learning into your busy schedule. You don't have to commit to long study sessions. You can learn at your own pace whenever you have a few minutes to spare. You can squeeze in a lesson on your lunch break, while you're waiting for your coffee to brew, or even while you're pretending to listen during a boring meeting. The flexibility of the course means you can learn whenever and wherever it suits you, making it the perfect solution for busy professionals and students alike. Alright, for our final stop on this cybersecurity adventure, we're heading over to the Cisco Networking Academy, and let me tell you, when it comes to networking, Cisco is the GOAT. Their Cybersecurity Essentials course is like the gold standard for anyone looking to build a career in the cybersecurity world. This course is like the foundation upon which you can build your cybersecurity empire. It's all about giving you that rock-solid understanding of the core principles, the best practices, and the industry-recognized certifications that will make you stand out from the crowd. Think of it like this. You finish this course and you're not just cybersecurity savvy, you're Cisco certified. You're speaking the language of the industry, you're equipped with the skills employers are looking for, and you're basically holding a golden ticket to a world of cybersecurity opportunities. And the best part? Cisco Networking Academy is all about hands-on learning. You won't just be absorbing information, you'll be putting it into practice, configuring networks, identifying vulnerabilities, and basically becoming a cybersecurity ninja warrior, ready to take on any digital threat that comes your way. So there you have it, 5 fantastic and free courses to kickstart your journey into cybersecurity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next video.